This is part 3. I lied in part 2 because, as you can see, you can hear my alerts going off now. It's wiping through all of them. We've got a double Bollinger trigger there. Oh, we did have it's not closed. The candle's not closed. We've got the momentum here. As you can see, a deep dive into liquidity, and the price has exploded. Now, that is why I scalp. I would have been, strictly these arrows. This is a bug with the software I use. They should all be big. It's on the indices. I don't know why it works like that, but I need to get that sorted. But they are the RSI histo arrows when it crosses the 20 line. Here, rather, sorry. So it's designed, you can see one there, to there. That's the 20 level. In fact, I might use, yeah, it is 20. But I need to update that. Sorry for the noise. You won't believe it. This is 7 a.m. in Vietnam. They start about 4 or 5 o'clock, which is fine for me. I love it. I meant to say, actually, and I can ramble in this one because this has done exactly what it should have done. Broken these levels, set the alerts off. This has worked, and the only thing that hidden, and luckily I said that sometimes trades do go with one. I said that in part 2, and there you go. I need to change this actually because in my EAs that number is set to about 16 and minus 16. So for severe scalping, doesn't change a lot, but these arrows obviously will change. In fact, we can change that and see what it would have done. Buy alert 16. Oh, they are set to that. It's just the actual. I apologise. I've set it to my level. It's just the levels on the chart that are wrong. So it kicks off at 16. So that is right. That's the momentum. Now here we go. We've pulled back a little bit again now, and we may proceed up to that level there. As you can see, I've got another alert over here. Oh, that was the one I put on to show how it works, and that alert to make the most of that. But and then as these progress, this is a 1 minute. This is worth mentioning too. They will turn into a 5 minute 2B. We can't see that. Let's see if we can get that big bar off the. No, we won't be able to, unfortunately. We might be able to. Actually, yeah, we'll just zoom in and move that across. This is how you negate the big bars. Oh, it says that confidently and it doesn't do it. Normally that, they're still on the chart, that's why. Normally this would expand, but we'll go up another level. And so now you can see M5, if we look on, it's clearer on the line chart, that's the final level that the buyers, the sellers beat the buyers and the buyers were overwhelmed, and as such that would be the level that I need to observe. We put the alert on there, but I didn't draw the blue line. And then we go back to candles. You'll see that's the level that I talked about that didn't have the blue line on it. And then I go back to M1 and wait for a close. We can zoom out, wait for a close above that. So the perfect entry would have been a nice little candle there to close above that M5 level. I showed one of these yesterday, and then we've got everything agreeing with us apart from the double Bollingers. But that was such a deep move that to get up to the M5 Bollinger, that one there to turn green or stay green, we've got quite a journey, as you can see, with price. So that's it. 1, 2, 3. How I make my plans for my trades and how price does exactly what I'd hoped, whether it's down, up or sideways. And it is still only 00:15, midnight, 15 minutes past midnight in the UK. That's it. 3 good videos, hopefully. I know they ramble and waffle a bit. As I say, I haven't had enough coffee yet. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.